Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 61. First, in case you missed it, today the House Democrats has 2 WTF shows, Seth Magaziner and Sydney Kamlager-Dove, and Mark Pocan and Donald Norcris. Amelia Sykes also does her own WTF show, so she had one on EMTALA and Abushin, and one on the Infants Act. Shelley Pingree did her update from Washington, Hakeem Jeffries did a press conference on Social Security, and Rick Larson did Recap with Rick. Today is the last day of Mark Desaulniers' Repping the Rep. It's been such a joy to introduce him to all of you this week, and this is the perfect post to end on. He was interviewed in the Boston Globe because his father was a corrupt Superior Court judge in Boston. And almost 50 years ago, Boston Globe broke that story. Now they get to talk about Mark as chair of the ethics committee because he didn't want to become his father. Gregory Meeks is ranking member on foreign affairs, and he gave today's Democratic Daily Download, and he talked about some actions already being taken around Signalgate. Don Beyer called the local Social Security office and found out firsthand that no, there is no one there to answer the phones. Val Hoyle spoke at the emergency AFG rally in response to DT's EO against unions. Ayanna Pressley spoke about them as well in committee. She compared what DT is doing to unions to homeowners having no say in their mortgage. I love the universal analogy. Raja Krishnamurthy spoke at the Illinois Vets for Change rally to get Hegseth to resign. Yazamin Ansari is the first to call for a general strike without being asked, as in not in a town hall setting. We're not there yet, but the more electeds call for it, the closer we'll be. And finally, Chris Van Hollen reminded us that we have to support those who are standing up at the same time as calling out those who aren't. It can't be one or the other, even with the institutions. I have now followed all reps on YouTube, so I'm seeing more work being done than ever before. I created a playlist on YouTube so you can follow them too. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end of this video. The Social Security phones are ringing off the hook and no one's there to answer them. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.